So here I am. There's my Tesla. Yep, there's my Tesla. This is Oliver's Food, and I'm back in Gundagai doing a follow-up of the Gundagai Superchargers. The last time I was here, I said that the Gundagai Superchargers would be along that wall there. I made a guess. Well, my guess was wrong, because now I can see that there are a bunch of galahs going off. Yeah, okay. The superchargers are not here, there. See that? You see those supercharger skeletons? So they're putting in, it looks like, 3 pairs. 3 pairs of superchargers. Yeah. Supercharger. Superchargers. Look at that. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Anyhow, I'm on my way down to Melbourne. I'm going to stop off at Wodonga next. So that's where we're going to be charging up, folks. In Gundagai.